Now that we can see the value of the PowerShell DSC extension, what's really the benefit then of the custom script extension? Well, think of it this way. This allows us to execute VM tasks without logging into the VM. So if we wanted to log in and execute a PowerShell command or another script, that's what the custom script extension allows us to do. We can upload via the portal or download scripts from Azure Blob Storage or GitHub, reference those in the portal, and it's basically going to inject that script into the virtual machine and run it. And this can be automated using PowerShell as well. There are some benefits and drawbacks though. So if we think of the benefits, no local or domain credentials are needed to log into the Azure VM. The VM does not need an accessible IP address to remotely connect. It's very, very simple to implement. The drawbacks though, it must be enabled for each VM you want to run your script on. You have to enable that extension basically. VMs will need internet access if using GitHub or Blob storage for scripts. And finally, it is relatively slow. It's not like you're logging into the box, type your script in, or load your PowerShell file and hit go. It takes a bit of time to execute, and if you have to troubleshoot it, it could be a little bit cumbersome. On the whole though, it's a great way as part of automated builds and deployments. If you have some custom scripts that need to run to do some post configuration tasks and they're not really well suited for some of the desired state tools, it makes sense to execute them here.